This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Christina Grosu. 100% furnished, move-in ready. 2-story townhome within the award-winning Brightwalk community. Located mile from Uptown Charlotte Music Factory. 10-minute walk to the upcoming 100 acres of Camp North End Innovation Corridor campus, local breweries, coffee shops, coworking spaces and restaurants. The townhome features open floor plan with cozy fireplace, stainless steel kitchen appliances, granite countertops, a breakfast bar, a master bedroom with a custom closet, and 2 guest bedrooms. Living room feet. Half bath under staircase, electronic fireplace with 60-inch smart TV, a lounge chair, and a large sectional sofa to host guests or simply relax. Fully stocked kitchen with all common supplies tenants need. Stainless steel appliances, utensils, glasses, plates, baking tools, cooking tools, knife set, pots and pans, Ninja blender, Oster blender, and coffee maker. Outdoor patio offers gas grill, sunshade, patio lights and sitting area to enjoy mild climate. Everything you need. For more information,